I was in search of spirituality right from my beginning days. Then my search for truth, my search for spirituality led me to meditation. Search for meditation. "45 years back, when I encountered meditation, then 45 years back, now this body is about 73 years old. So imagine 45 years back. When I encountered meditation, then I came to know about my purpose of life. We are all in search of our own specific purpose of life. Every person is different. Every individual is different. And every person has to find out his or her own purpose. The major premise in her or his life. Similarly, 45 years back, I discovered meditation, the right type of meditation. When I encountered Anapanasati through a friend of mine, I found my purpose of life. I hail from a middle class Brahmin family from South India. I had no family background in terms of spirituality or meditation. In my family, I am the first one to venture into spirituality. When I encountered spiritual masters, spiritual gurus, spiritual scientists, spiritual practitioners, I found my tribe. I began to accumulate a basic spiritual wisdom. And I was fulfilled when I came to know about my own specific purpose in my life, that is to spread spirituality everywhere, to every other person.